The Ducati Monster S4R has long been respected as one of the most thrilling naked bikes ever created, known for its raw personality and signature Italian performance. But every so often, a builder comes along who takes a great motorcycle and makes it even better. That is exactly what Rob Maxwell, the man behind the lifestyle brand Lucky Explorer, achieved when he transformed a 2004 Monster S4R into a one-off cafe racer that blends attitude, craftsmanship, and personal passion. This custom project was born from inspiration and pushed forward by determination, proving that a DIY approach can sometimes deliver results as striking as those of professional workshops. The story began when Rob's friend Gerry purchased a modified Ducati 749 built by the renowned deBolex team. While Rob admired the craftsmanship, a professional build of that scale was beyond his budget. Instead of giving up on his dream of owning a personalized Ducati, he decided to take matters into his own hands. He sourced a Monster S4R in Glasgow and immediately began tearing it down to create a bike that reflected his own style. The first major change came with the removal of the stock exhaust, replaced by a compact aftermarket system from QD exhaust. Not only did it reduce weight, it also opened up the rear end of the bike and highlighted the 5-spoke wheel mounted on the beautiful single-sided trellis swingarm. Rob then focused on the subframe, shortening and looping it to give the motorcycle a tighter and more balanced rear profile. He integrated an LED strip at the back and paired it with a simple license plate holder for a clean, modern finish. To match the upgraded stance, he collaborated with the local leather artisan to craft a custom saddle, adding both comfort and aesthetic refinement. While he kept the original fuel tank and front fender, he spent considerable time and effort elevating the suspension system. The rear was fitted with a premium Öhlins remote reservoir shock absorber, dramatically improving ride quality and performance. Meanwhile, the front Showa forks were sent to Brooks Suspension for a full upgrade, ensuring the bike handled as well as it looked. In the cockpit, Rob opted for a more aggressive setup by replacing the standard handlebar with Woodcraft clip-ons. These carry Moto Gadget bar-end turn signals, precision billet aluminum levers, and a single right-mounted rear-view mirror that maintains the clean cafe racer silhouette. The original instrument cluster remains in place, but was lowered to give the front end a sleeker appearance. Just beneath the dials sits a new headlight mounted on CNC machined brackets, adding a sharp mechanical touch that pairs well with the overall design. Performance and grip were enhanced further with Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa tires wrapped around the stock wheels to ensure maximum traction and responsiveness. For the finishing touch, Rob dressed the entire motorcycle in deep black paint. It is not a full blackout look, as the gold suspension components stand out beautifully, providing contrast and visual depth that elevate the entire build. This custom S4R may not have the extreme polish of a deBolex creation, but it carries something equally valuable: personality. Rob Maxwell's Cathay Racer is a pure expression of passion, skill, and hands-on creativity. Every modification reflects thoughtful intention rather than unnecessary flash. The result is a bike with unmistakable charm and an aggressive stance that feels right at home carving through the breathtaking landscapes of the Scottish Highlands. It's a reminder that great custom builds do not always require massive budgets. Sometimes all it takes is vision, craftsmanship, and a willingness to create something truly personal.